Number 1, write down. They are not in hurry. They are not in hurry. H-U-R-R-Y. Full stop. Negative sentence. Affirmative. Next, write down. Can anyone prove himself successful without the help of luck? Question mark. Affirmative or negative? Affirmative. Question number 3. Write down. Today submission for copies or tomorrow? Literature tomorrow. Number 3. When a singer sings we should not disturb him. When a singer sings, we should not disturb him. You can write her also. Which one you prefer? Okay. That was number 3. Now number 4. Write down. There is nothing more beautiful. There is nothing more beautiful than a rainy day. Now, if you find the questions in negative, make those positive. If those are in positive, make those negative. Okay. Now, again, if these are in negative sentence, if these are negative, make this affirmative or positive, and if these are negative, just make it positive. Start. Yes. Number 1. They are not in hurry. First question. That means what should be the answer? Now, these 4 are given. First 2 are given. These are related to a certain rule. Sometimes we don't have proper answer for these things. Okay. Sometimes we don't have proper answer. Just like this is a wall. Can I make it negative? Even though if you are forced to do so, what you should do? Convert that one into interrogative. What type of interrogative? Negative interrogative. Are not they in? Got it? What is the question? Negative is given. They are not in hurry. Na? So write down, are they in hurry? So next rule, that means how many rules you wrote last day? This is the 7th one, by converting that one into interrogative sentence. Okay. Conversion into interrogative. Next one, question number 2. So this one, keep it in mind, this should be the last option. This should not be the first option. It is written she is tall. And you have written is she tall? Is not she tall? That should not be done every time. If nothing comes, no option works properly, that time you go for this very option. This is the last option left. Keep it in mind. Converting into interrogative is the last option when nothing works. Next.
Can anyone prove himself successful without
Can anyone
prove himself successful without the help of luck?
affirmative this one? What type of sentence? Interrogative. Write down. By converting that one into assertive. What it should be? No one can. So what I have done, I have converted that one into, this is also the last option. Here, this conversion of declarative sentence and what type of sentence? Conversion into declarative and into interrogative, these two are the last option. Clear? Next one is also same, I think. What is given?
When a singer sings, we should not disturb him.
When a singer sings, now this one we cannot do. We can write in another. When a singer sings, we should not disturb him or her, is it? So what should it be? When a singer sings, we should. Very good. We should keep him undisturbed. Next one will follow the same rule. What is given? There is nothing more beautiful than a rainy day. You have to convert this one into interrogative. Then what it should be? Sir?
A rainy day is more beautiful than anything.
Okay, that was even right. But this one you convert into interrogative, okay? So total how many rules now? I think 9, 7 plus 2 today. Today we have got 2 rules now. Last day how many we have done? 6. So 6 plus 2, 8. Now next rule. Rule number 9. How to make conversion into negative. Just like this one. Change in degree. Change in degree of comparison. How? Write down now. First you write down what is written here. Change in degree of comparison. Shall I start? Write down. Ashoka was the greatest. Ashoka was the greatest ruler. Ashoka was the greatest ruler. Full stop. Affirmative sentence, solely affirmative. Now how to convert this one? No other? Yeah. No other ruler was as great as Ashoka. Okay. Now nowadays it is written no other. You start with no and you write as great, is it? But the perfect rule says what? When you start with in this way, if the sentence is negative, we should not use as good as. It should be so good as. Negative sentence, it should be so good as. That is the actual rule. Even in book we will find also it is written as good as. Next, write down. So, Next one is C is not the most intelligent girl in the class. This is already given in negative. What you have to do? You have to convert this one into affirmative. You have to convert this one into affirmative. Is she the? No, this one you can do in another way. By converting this one is which degree? It is given positive, comparative or superlative? Superlative. Then convert this one into positive or comparative. Now see, answer will come easily. This is related to the last rule. Tell opposite. This is the last option left. Conversion into interrogative, the last option left. Other options are there. If you have other option available, kindly go through that one. Sit down.
Sir, some other girls in the class are at least as intelligent as me.
What is it? C is not the
Most intelligent person.
That means few are there more intelligent than her, is it now? Okay. So, many girls or few girls, whatever you can wish, you can write. Few girls are more intelligent than her in the class. So easy, na? So, while going through these things, try to be simple as possible. Next, one more I am giving, try to write that one. C is not at all worried about the exam. Who will answer? Negative sentence, to make it affirmative. You, Azad Hussain. Anything else? Very good. She is least worried about the exam. Okay? Okay.